Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Is your PlayStation 5 starting to sound like a jet engine during intense gaming sessions? You're definitely not alone. A noisy fan is a common complaint, and it's often a sign that your beloved console needs a little tender, loving care. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, restricting airflow and making the fan work much harder than it needs to. But don't worry, we're here to help you quiet things down and get back to smooth, immersive gaming. Before diving deep, let's start with the easiest fix: external cleaning. First, make sure your PS5 is completely powered off and unplugged from the wall. Grab a soft, clean microfiber cloth and gently wipe down the console's exterior. Pay close attention to the ventilation grates along the sides and back, as these are often clogged with visible dust. A quick, regular wipe down can make a surprising difference in airflow and keep things running smoothly. If external cleaning isn't quite enough, it might be time for a slightly deeper clean. The PS5 side panels are designed to be removable, giving you access to the fan and heatsink areas. Once open, use a can of compressed air or a small, low-power USB vacuum designed for electronics to gently dislodge any accumulated dust. Remember to hold the fan blades still when using compressed air to prevent damage, and always be incredibly gentle around internal components. This step really helps improve airflow. Beyond just dust, some PS5 owners might experience a high-pitched electrical hum, often called coil whine. This isn't usually a fault, but rather a characteristic of certain electrical components. For more severe cases of overheating and consistent fan noise, especially after extensive cleaning, a deeper intervention like replacing the thermal paste on the APU might be necessary. However, this is a more advanced procedure, and if you're not comfortable, it's always best to consult a professional console repair service to avoid accidental damage. To keep your PS5 purring quietly for years to come, prevention is key. Always ensure your console is placed in a well-ventilated area, away from walls and enclosed cabinets, allowing plenty of room for air to circulate. Make it a habit to give your console a quick external wipe down every few weeks to prevent major dust buildup. Some users also find that a dedicated cooling stand can provide extra airflow. These simple routines will significantly extend your PS5 quiet, cool operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.